Chiliz (CHC) is important for another age of digital currencies that ruled titles in 2021, focusing on a particular specialty of new crypto lovers. Anyway, what amount could Chiliz at any point be worth? Possibly a considerable amount. Yet before we jump into our Chiliz cost expectations for 2023 to 2030, we should recap why CHC is a top speculation. Why bother with Chiliz? Have you at any point loved a games group yet ended up baffled with their choices? At any point do you get the inclination that fans have the right to have a greater voice? Chiliz plans to provide more capacity to the fans, whose eager help is the thumping heart of these games groups. Through fan tokens, fans will be better ready to voice their perspectives to their number one games groups, and it will furnish sports groups with better approaches to adapt their fans by offering virtual resources, as well as different conceivable outcomes. A portion of Chiliz's advantages include: has an imposing business model on the specialty crowd of avid supporters, works with large numbers of the greatest football clubs in Europe with a large number of fans. Proof of authority (POA) agreement instrument implies Chiliz is more energy proficient than proof of stake and proof of work. Though POA is less decentralized than other blockchains, it is more versatile and secure. Operates on Ethereum, Tron, the Binance Brilliant Chain, and Solana. Who is behind Chiliz? Established in 2017, Chiliz formally sent off in 2018. Both Chiliz and the Socios stage were made by Chief Alexander Dreyfus, a business visionary with a solid foundation in intelligent the travel industry stages, online poker locales. Chiliz concocted fan tokens, determined to track down a better approach to benefit from fanbases of sports groups. Later on, it is proposed that Chiliz may likewise investigate different open doors beyond sports. What is Chiliz involved for? Proprietors of fan tokens can partake in the dynamic cycle through studies and surveys on the Socios stage with the Guide of Brilliant Agreements. It might be said, it resembles the fans own a tad of the club and a voice by the way they work, however not precisely. Fan tokens can likewise be utilized as an elective income stream, where certain things could be simply accessible to fan token holders, like NFTs. To buy any of Chiliz fan tokens, clients should initially buy Chiliz. Chiliz was at first made on top of the Ethereum ETH blockchain as an ERC20 token. Notwithstanding, since its send-off, it is likewise accessible on the Tron (TRX) network as a TRC20 token and on the Binance Brilliant Chain, Binance Coins (BNB) Equalchain. Chiliz likewise has a sidechain called Socios, which utilizes a proof of authority agreement component. Who utilizations Chiliz? Chiliz have been especially fruitful in Europe. Manufacturing associations with probably the most notable football crews. Two of the most famous incorporate the Paris Holy Person Germain fan token (PSG) and the Manchester City fan token (City). Outside European football, Chiliz has additionally cooperated with Blended Hand-to-Hand Fighting Association (UFC) to make the UFC fan token (UFC). As per the Socios stage, they have more than 120 accomplices situated in 25 nations north of 3 landmasses. Specialized investigation of Chiliz's (CHC) value developments. As indicated by information from CoinMarketCap, CHC's previously realized cost is $0.01634 on the 2nd of July 2019. A couple of months after the fact, on the 27th of September 2019, Chiliz hit an unsurpassed low of $0.004001. Chiliz hit its unsurpassed high of $0.8915 on the 13th of WOC 2021. In 2022, Chiliz began the year at 29 cents, arriving at a 52-week low of $0.081 and 52-week high of 32 cents, and afterward finished the year at 10 cents. Chiliz (CHC) value forecasts. Before you become too amped up for our Chiliz cost expectations until the end of the 10 years, remember the accompanying variables. Chiliz's emotional cost ascend in WOC 2021 is to a great extent credited to the ascent in ubiquity of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, as recommended by Bilal Jaffer of Money Magnets and Rakesh Upadhyay of Cointelegraph. Then in mid-November 2021, Chiliz expanded 170% after they sent off in-game NFTs for fan token holders, as Jordan Faniza of Cointelegraph reports. In 2023 and then some, we could see the developing interest in NFTs carry more possible clients to Chiliz, especially fans who need to claim exceptional NFTs connected with sports groups and different types of amusement. Beside NFTs, another key component is Chiliz's organizations. In 2021, a wide number of fan tokens were made on top of the Chiliz stage. A portion of the fan tokens now accessible include McLaren, Aston Martin, and Alfa Romeo F1 Groups, UFC, Blended Hand-to-Hand Fighting Association, AC Milan Armory, Manchester City, Paris Holy Person Germain, and Barcelona football clubs. As additional games groups make fan tokens on the Chiliz stage, it will increment interest for the CHZ token, especially in the event that these groups are fruitful in alluring fans to claim them. It couldn't be more obvious that Chiliz stands to be a fantastic transient speculation, 1 year, or long-haul venture 5 to 10 years. Here are our Chiliz cost expectations for 2023 to 2030. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. Proceeding to improve its NFT capacities, will see CHZ arrive at better upsides in 2023. The Chiliz cost expectation for 2023 expects CHZ to revitalize to a maximum cost of 26 cents and a min cost of 12 cents. The finish of 2023 will see Chiliz secure a normal of 19 cents. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2024. The following Bitcoin halvening will happen in 2024, as will the following UEFA Euro title, intensifying the cost of Chiliz. At the most elevated, CHZ is anticipated to reach 32 cents, and at the least, it can hit 19 cents. Chiliz's typical anticipated cost for 2024 is 25 cents. Chiliz, CHZ, value forecast 2025. By 2025, Chiliz's fan token biological system will detonate, as an ever-increasing number of sports clubs try to make their own tokens. Toward the year's end, Chiliz will move to a normal of $0.375, arriving at a high of 45 cents, and a low of $0.3, as determined by the Chiliz cost forecast. In the event that Chiliz can arrive at the typical objective, it would address a 212% increment on current CHZ's cost. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2026. Gamification of the Chiliz stage will additionally help the allure of CHZ in 2026. Chiliz has a middle objective of 46 cents, with a high gauge of 56 cents, and a low gauge of 36 cents, as affirmed by the Chiliz cost expectation. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2027. Extending further away from home external Europe, Chiliz will solidly set up a good foundation for itself in Latin America, Southeast Asia, India, and the Center East, arriving at millions additional clients. In the event that you've been inquiring what will Chiliz be worth in 5 years, it can achieve a top cost of 91 cents, sink to a low of 59 cents, and secure a normal of 75 cents. According to the Chiliz cost expectation information. Chiliz, CHZ, value forecast 2028. 2028 will see Chiliz incorporate a lot more extensive scope of sports tokens, including hustling, cricket, and maybe even American football. The 2028 Chiliz cost forecast is sure that the worth of CHZ will keep on expanding. The greatest cost of Chiliz will be $1.12, and the base cost will be 89 cents. Chiliz, CHZ, value forecast 2029. By 2020